So, hello everybody. Hello again after 3 years. I will do this devlog very, very quickly because I just want to show you my starting point. During this time, I have been developing this engine. Uh, and basically, it's an engine that allows me to, for now, I have some terrain rendering. Also, I can render like cube or something. This is just like the most basic little OpenGL tutorial that is in there. Look at the lights and all of this. And also I created this debug terminal, so I can just do things like, okay, toggle terrain grid, or I can just say, okay, show me all the commands that we have available. And the idea that I will put more and more. And yeah, this is like a grid or whatever. Basically, it's pretty cool because it's all drawn in one draw call, meaning that I sent all the vertices to the GPU like at one shot. And also the whole engine, it's a component, it's uses ECS. I'm implementing my own version of ECS, which it's very, very Unity-like. I can just do add component, for example, new rotate component. I can just put a vector like up unit I, let's say 100. I'm doing this on the entity that I have like on my cursor. As you see now, it's just rotating, and it's super easy for me to add new behaviors. I could even make this entity, for example, jump. I can do something like, okay, add component. I don't know if it will work because I'm setting the position all the time, but let's try. Bounce component. Okay, let's try it this way. I think that I made it super simple. Let's see if it works. Yeah, actually it's bouncing. So you can see it now, it's disappearing, now it's appearing, and yeah, it's very, very easy to add behaviors this way. Also, I always implement hot reloading for my shaders and my like resources. So as you can see, for example, if I grab, let's say the result of after the lighting calculations, and I just say, okay, the green channel, I want it to 0. And as you see, in real time, I know that this file has changed, and I also compile the shader. And yeah, that's my basic workflow to be able to just adjust things and yeah, improve everything. Yeah, the lines, there's nothing that I can show you very, very fancy. Yeah, and I think that that's it. Fast and direct, but at least you know where I'm starting. Yeah, I think that there's nothing more. So yeah, next stop, it will be loading like 3D models and probably create a proper devlog where I explain you a bit my new game, as it will be multiplayer again. And yeah, I will show you. It's very, very cool.